English journey.
Most common words in English for daily use. Part 1. Building. A place with a roof and walls, such as a house or factory. The building has 2 floors. Sour. A taste like lemons, not sweet. I don't like the sour taste of lemons. Juice. A drink we get from fruits or vegetables. The juice is sour. Room. A part of the inside of a building. The room isn't big. Happy. Feeling good, not sad. I am happy. Clean. To remove dirt or mess from something. I clean my room every day. Bright. Something that gives a lot of light or is full of light. The sun is bright today. Early. Happening before the usual time. I wake up early every day. Oven. A machine in the kitchen that cooks food with heat. The cake is in the oven. Correct. Right. The answer is correct. Floor. Surface of a room that you walk on. She is cleaning the floor. Twin. One of 2 children who are born to the same mother at the same time. We are twin sisters. Cousin. A cousin is a child of your aunt or uncle. I play with my cousin. Live. To stay or be in a place. I live with my family. Neighbor. A neighbor is a person who lives near or next to you. My neighbor is very kind. Shelf. A flat surface in a cupboard or on a wall for keeping things on. The books are on the shelf. Store. A place where you can buy things. The store has fresh fruit. Boss. A person who is in charge of a worker or organization. The boss is in a meeting. Desk. A type of table where you work. The desk is in my room. Pot. A container used for cooking. The pot is full of soup. Bill. A paper that shows how much money you need to pay for something. She checked the bill. Blanket. A large piece of cloth used for keeping warm. The blanket is soft and warm. Customer. A person who buys things or uses services. The customers are waiting in line. Hair. The stuff that grows on your head or body. My cousin has long black hair. Laundry room. A room in a house where people wash and dry clothes. I wash clothes in the laundry room. Today. The day that is happening now. Today is Friday. Beautiful. Very nice to look at it. My mom's dress is beautiful. Ribbon. A long, thin piece of cloth. The ribbons in my hair are blue. News. New information or reports about things that have happened. I watch the news on TV.